I would like to show you how to create a credit note refund or add credit note refunds from other income you've received outside of Fiskl. You can also do this using the Fiskl iOS and Android apps. To provide your customers with a refund or credit note, go to Invoices from the left menu and go to the relevant invoice from the invoice list. Click on the three dots and select Duplicate. A brand new duplicate invoice will be opened ready for you to create your refund or credit note. Change the name of your invoice accordingly, for example, refund, credit note, or it can be left empty. Remove all items except for the ones you'd like to apply the refund credit note to. To do so, select the unwanted items and click on Bulk Actions to delete them. For the remaining refunded items, add a minus sign against the line item and click on Save and Review, and then Send or Get Shared Link. Generating a shared link will change the credit note or refund status to sent, but won't notify your client or send it. The client will only receive the credit note or refund if you manually send them the link or press Send to email it directly. Issue your refund payment, and once you have processed the refund, open the refund credit note and go to the Payments tab and click on Plus Payment. To automatically match this payment in accounting, simply add the payment method and save. For more details about matching transactions, please go to the accounting section in the help guide. Your refund will be included in your invoice list. This process also works for partially paid invoices. To make adjustments to unpaid invoices, open the invoice from the invoice list. Click on Edit to change the status to draft so changes can be made. Remove all items that you would like to credit by clicking on Delete at the end of the line. Or make necessary adjustments to the items, for example, quantity or price. Alternatively, add new items or duplicate existing and enter the price as a minus figure. Click Save and Review, then Send or Generate Shared Link. To create a refund or credit note for any sales completed without a Fiskl invoice, for example Shopify, you can manually add the transactions to accounts receivable, assigning them to an income category. Go to Transactions and select Accounts Receivable, then create an In transaction. For more information about creating transactions, please go to the accounting section in this guide. Your transaction will appear in the accounts receivable list, for example, Shopify invoice. Go to your bank account and select the transaction that matches the invoice from accounts receivable. Click on Show Matches and select the transaction and click on Update. Your matched transactions will be displayed in both the bank account and accounts receivable. To create a refund or credit, go to Accounts Receivable and create an Out transaction. Name it, assign it to the Refunds Given category, enter the amount, client, and click on Create. Your refund will appear in your list of transactions in Accounts Receivable. Match the refund to the transaction in your bank account. Go to your bank account and go to the transaction. Click on Show Matches and only full accounts receivable amounts can be matched. Select the matching transaction and click on Update. Your transaction will be displayed in both your bank account and accounts receivable. If you'd like to find out more about Fiskl, please go to fiskl.com.